Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing like a review. It's not really a review. I just wanted to come on here and do some eyeshadow because I haven't done, like a tutorial on eyeshadows in a while. So I wanted to come on here and do a quick tutorial on a cute eyeshadow look that I have in mind. I don't know really if it's gonna come out like I have it in mind, but let's see. So if you want to see how I create a pastel look using the new Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. I bought the Pastel Mint Obsessions just because I thought it was so cute. Look at those eyeshadows. They are so amazing. I haven't had a palette like this. I don't even think I own a palette like this that has, cute little pastels with the teals and the mint green and the like peachy tone. So it is a very, very cute palette. They also have the pink pastels and the lilac pastels. I actually like it's called Rose, sorry, the Rose pastels. I actually like the Rose one, but I feel like I have palettes like that already. So I wanted to purchase one that I didn't really have, and it was this one. So we're gonna do a cute little look, and I also want to say these are, I think, $30, something like that. If I wasn't working, I would not purchase it because yo no tengo dinero, but since I am working, I spoiled myself a little bit and purchased it. But yeah, I think she is so beautiful, and let's see how she works. Also, Huda Beauty started following me on Instagram. You guys don't even know how hype I was when Huda Beauty started following me on Instagram. I just can't believe it. Like, it's been 6 years that I've been here on YouTube, and now 2 years going on 3 years that I've started my makeup page on Instagram, just strictly makeup. And it's been a long journey, and to get noticed by Huda Beauty, who has like millions, I'm talking about like 40 point something million followers, and she's only following like 700 people, and for me to be one of those 700 people, it's amazing. She is one of the biggest beauty gurus out there. She started from the bottom, you know what I mean? And she's doing big things. She has her own company now, and she's an inspiration really for us smaller bloggers, influencers, content creators, etc., because she started as a blogger herself. So yeah, I just wanted to say she's following me on Instagram and I could die, So anyways, let's get right into the palette, dig in, and start playing around with this. Like I said, I don't know, I have something in mind, but I really don't know what to have in mind. But I do have these jewels here that I wanted to play around with. There's this gem like trend going around, so I wanted to hop on that because trends are trends, and if you're a content creator, you have to keep up with these like little trends. So I don't know, I just thought I'll jump in and I'll be using these two things today. Let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna start off with this like peachy brownish pinkish color on the crease and start blending that out. Clean brush, and we're gonna jump into that eyeshadow. Ooh, I see a little bit of fallout, but for me, like I've always said, fallout means good quality in some cases, and maybe that's what this is. So let me blend out the concealer on my... Yes, I like to use concealer as primer. You could use a regular primer, but I already put a little bit of concealer on my lids. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. I love neutral colors that have peachy tones, especially in the spring. This color itself would look so nice as a smoky eye. Oh my god, I love colors like this. And it's blending like a dream. Beautiful, beautiful. I think I want to go with this color on the outer V, and then maybe cut the crease and apply one of these. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the look that I was going for before was not working out. So here I am again. I took off the eyeshadow and put a little bit of concealer on again, and we're gonna start over and start this. This is how it is sometimes, you know? Sometimes it don't work out and you just don't go straight with the look, make a mistake, and then you have to start all over again. So this time the look wasn't working out for me. I don't know, I guess it's because I used these two colors, and it's not the eyeshadow's fault. It was just not blending out the way I thought it would be. It has nothing to do with the eyeshadows. They blend out so nice. It's just not working out. So what we're gonna do is change things up, and we're gonna start with the mint color, this mint color here, and then we're gonna go in with the dark one. Now let's change that up real quick, because yeah, there's always room for mistakes and starting all over again, but these eyeshadows are bomb. So let's start it over. And again, I'm using the lighter color just to blend that in as a transition color. And wow, this color is beautiful. I did start off using it in the middle of the eye, but like I said, the look was just not what I planned, and if I don't like it, you know, it's not working out. So that color is beautiful. It's very pigmented as well. For it to be such a light mint color, it is super pigmented. Darker teal color, and put that in the outer V. Okay, now this is working out. Beautiful, beautiful. So what you want to do is keep blending it until it's super blended in the crease area and it doesn't look harsh. I love to blend my eyeshadows, you know, extra, just because it makes it look so much more cleaner. So then I'm going to try this color here because it's like a marble effect. I don't know, it's pretty cute. So we're going to try that color right in the center. Ooh, that is cute. It has like some glitter to it. That is cute. Ooh, do you guys see that color? OMG, beautiful. Wow. They did that. It's like a pressed with like different tones of blue in it, greens. That is beautiful. Obsessed with this color. I feel like a mermaid. Build it, it just becomes even more sparklier, and it brings out that color super good, and it is a very beautiful metallic color. I am obsessed. So then we're gonna take this middle color right here and apply that right into the beginning of the eye, and wow, that is very pigmented. And wow, that is beautiful. Obsessed. That's all I have to say. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a little bit more with my finger and apply that. Oh wow, that feels so soft with the finger. It's like velvety. Wow, that feels amazing. I'm gonna apply a little more just because I want to bring that color out, and we are doing that. We're gonna be a little extra today, and then I'm gonna go in with the matte color, the light one, matte mint color, and go over that and blend it out a little, just so that it's not harsh, just because we have a lot going on in the beginning of the eye with the eyeshadows. So now we're gonna go on the bottom, and we're gonna add this beautiful color on the outer of the eye and blend that out. And I'm actually blending it out super, you know, making sure I blend it out really nice. And I'm gonna bring it down a little more down here because I want it to be extra, what's it called? Smoky. I'm gonna take this color right here to the beginning of the eye. The little excess that I had of the other eyeshadow, I'm gonna blend that out. And girl, these eyeshadows are pigmented. I am loving, this is what I had in mind, not what was going on before. This is what I had in mind. And I am so glad I took off the other look and decided to do it again. You know, you always gotta go with your gut feeling and your instincts, and you know, if you don't like something, do it over. It's okay to start all over again. So then I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner, and this is just a brown eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in, ouch, into the waterline. And I've been liking a brown eyeliner because black may sometimes be like, for this pastel color, might be too much. So with a brown, it just tones it down a little bit, but you're also darkening your eyeliner if you like to darken your eyes a little bit, which I like to. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go with highlighter. I'm gonna go in with this Pixie Beauty highlighter palette, and this is T, and she is so pigmented and I just love her. And to be extra, you know, glam, this highlighter is perfect. She's just a beauty. I'm gonna go into the inner corner because I want a pop of eyeshadow into this inner corner of the eye. A pop of eyeshadow, a pop of highlight into the corner of the eye. Okay. Eyelashes today, I'm using these by Dollar Lash Club. If you haven't noticed, I've been using these same eyelashes for the past 1500 looks because they're just so perfect. I feel like they are my go-to. These are the Scarlet Lashes. I need to order me some more, but honestly, I've just been using these and they have, you know, I just clean them off and they last a long time. So you know why spend so much money when you can use them 50 times. So I'm gonna let those lashes dry and I'm going to figure out where I want to put the gems because I said we're playing with gems here. So I think I want to put like 2 here, like big, then small, and 1 in the center. Just add more, then I can add more. This is gonna be hard because I've been letting my nails grow a little bit, so it's kind of hard. But I also don't have clear glue. I mean, guess that's a little bit helpful because I could see where I'm applying the gems with this. Okay, so those are the first few. They sell like the tweezers for this, but I forgot to buy it. Okay, it's stuck. Okay, we're gonna put right here another few. Oh shit. I overdid it with the glue on this side. There, but you know what? I like weird. I like different. So if it looks weird, it's staying there. Now let's put these eyelashes on and then we're done with this look. Okay, now so I'm going to put on the lipstick and I'll be right back with the finished look. We're almost done here. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I know it's a little extra, but girl, whatever. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun with this palette and this is the look I created. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have the money to purchase this palette, I highly recommend it. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. The eyeshadows blend like magic, and this color right here is bomb, and so is this color right here. These two colors I think are my favorites. These colors that I tried as well are beautiful. They blend so well, those matte colors. But these two right here, especially now for spring and summer, these are beautiful just as lid color only. The move or whatever, this right here would be a beautiful, beautiful lid color. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I said if you can afford it and you know, you stop by Sephora or something and you want to spoil yourself, then yes, this I highly recommend. If you don't have the money, don't get it, because you know, we're not rich like that and things are expensive, you know? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.